Sandwiches are quartered with a vertically oscillating chop blade in less than 1 second. Salmon is baked, portioned and packaged precisely with robotic stabilizing and slicing arms. Crabs are broken down by various cutting and cleaning tools to produce ready-for-sale crab legs. Oddly shaped and undersized tomatoes are removed by levers that quickly react. Forward motion and a chain link contraption work in unison to wrap an expertly stuffed flatbread. Whole carcasses of lamb are processed in seconds via a series of robotic stabilizing arms and chop saws. The rotating blade of a Texer TAS 500 produces perfectly measured slices of cheese. A 180-degree rotating tray flips pancakes in a clockwise motion, ensuring both sides are cooked. Donuts are stabilized and flipped over into hand-swirled chocolate, resulting in perfect coating. Man and machine joined forces to process, cook and package an Asian tomato sauce. Hundreds of chickens are dismantled, processed, and packed in a finely tuned chicken factory. Giant bones are removed from pork slabs with a guiding wheel and a sharp skill saw-like device. Donuts are perfectly fried and then precisely filled with an automated July injection machine. An incredibly complex sorting and chopping factory machine packages different size bags of potatoes. A robotic arm rapidly loads cookie trays by using an exact movement schedule every time. A three-tiered process of cleaning, drying, and pulverizing is implemented to extract pineapple juice. A candy machine with two levers that spin in opposite directions whips candy into the ideal consistency. Multicolor ice cream cakes are rolled up at lightning speed with clockwise moving twister rotary heads. Automatic flattering arm works in a counterclockwise motion to form exact-sized dot balls. Artisanal Parmesan Reggiano from grass-fed cows is beautifully crafted by hand from start to finish.